Here we see a Wejtap tool cut open so we can view the internal process of what happens during an installation. Tighten the tool onto the connector. When you tighten the tool onto the connector, the ram is setting the booster into the firing pin position. When fired, this area will fill up with gas, pushing the ram and the piston forward. When you start to remove the tool from the connector, you should start to hear the gas escape. All that trapped gas will escape down the tool and away from the user, out the small hole in the piston. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions. To close the breech, slide the breech barrel forward, then turn clockwise. The latch should be flush with the barrel. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions. Be sure the proper frame, booster, and connector has been selected for the job. Remove connector from the package, tearing along the perforation. All conductors should be wire brushed prior to installation of connector. Place C-member of connector over run conductor. Insert tap conductor and place wedge between conductors. The chamfer on the wedge should be against the larger conductor. With the yellow frame, the yellow C-member is held with the yellow stop of the frame. With the blue and red frame, a blue C-member is held with the blue stop, the red C-member is held with the red stop. Tighten the tool until the red line disappears. Remove tool, being careful not to depress the safety latch. Hold tool in a vertical position, depress safety latch, and turn breech barrel counterclockwise. Pull breech barrel down sharply and tip breech downward. Booster should fall out. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions. Takeoff clips have to be used for removal. Red and blue takeoff clips are used with a red and blue frame. Yellow takeoff clips are used with a yellow frame. A few things to remember when removing a connector are: the yellow booster is never used for removal. The blue booster removes yellow connectors, and the red booster removes blue and red connectors. When installing either takeoff clip, the high side should be against the ram. Yellow installation. Start near the lance and slide back towards ram. When you install, it is open side of the frame to open side of the connector. For removal, it is open side of the frame to closed side of the connector. With the yellow frame, the yellow wedge is held with the yellow stop of the frame. Make sure the takeoff clip is lined up with the C-member. With the blue and red frame, a blue wedge is held with the blue stop, while the red wedge is held with the red stop. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions. Hold tool in a vertical position, depress safety latch, and turn breech barrel counterclockwise. Pull breech barrel down sharply and tip breech downward. Booster should fall out. Tighten the tool until the red line disappears. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions. While cleaning the tool, inspect all parts for wear and cracks. Specifically examine the ram, the main screw, the barrel, the lance, and the frame. Unscrew the end bearing, located at the end of the tool body. And remove the ram assembly from the tool. Spray the breech and main screw with recommended solvent and wipe with a clean cloth. After removing the ram assembly, attach a cleaning rod to a brush. Clean the main bore of the tool. Wipe down the ram assembly with a plastic abrasive pad. Clean the whole assembly, including the crusher sleeve and the end bearing. Wipe the parts lightly with a clean, lint-free cloth and reassemble. For more detailed instructions, refer to the table of contents in the Safety Operating and Maintenance Instructions.